Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Moroccan Lentil Soup Recipe. It's very delicious and nutritious, and as you know, lentil is very rich in iron. It's very good for you. It's gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and is a very good source of protein. We take the lentils. I have a 1 pound here, and soak it in hot water, or if you soak it the night before, you can soak it in cold water. Leave it right there. You rinse it good. You see if it has any tank. Then now you see after I soak my lentils, see how is the color of the water. We will drain all this water after. For the ingredients, we need some tomatoes. I have a big tomatoes here, or you can use 2 tomatoes and 1 onion, chopped onion. And garlic, you can use the fresh or the powder tomato paste. And for the herbs, I use cilantro and parsley. I will chop really good the cilantro and parsley. I have this tool right here that chop the herbs. I remember I got this one, I think, a few years ago from Morocco. But you can find, the kind of scissors that chop the herbs good, or you can do it with your knife. Now for cooking, I took my pot here, is on medium heat, and I put some olive oil. If you don't like olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil. Canola oil, corn oil, any oil you prefer. I add my onions and saute the onions for a few minutes. Then my garlic. Use fresh or garlic powder, tomatoes like that. Mix everything well together. Then add the tomato paste. Each time you add something, you mix very well. Also, I add the cilantro, the parsley, chopped cilantro and parsley. And for the people that like a kick of spice, I add green hot pepper. Or you can add chili powder, cayenne powder, harissa, anything that can make it spicy if you like it spicy. Mix everything well. Cover it for a few minutes. Before that, I add here the lentils. I drain them good and rinse them. Before that, I add them to this mixture. Mix everything together again. And I will leave these lentils get all the flavors before I add water. For the spices, I have salt, black pepper. It's very simple for the spices for this recipe. Paprika. And I'm using here smoked paprika. That's very good flavor. It's optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to do it. It's only salt, black pepper, and paprika. Mix everything together again. Cover it and leave it simmer for a few minutes. Now at this point, I will add the hot water. Always add hot water when you're cooking. Don't add cold water. I add enough water for this quantity. Then I will leave it covered and leave it cook in medium heat until it's well done. As you see here, my lentils are well done, cooked, perfectly cooked, but they are not mushy. As you see, they are not mushy. That's the texture that the person will be looking for. It's really delicious. I present it here in a Moroccan tagine with 2 kinds of olives, black olives and green stuffed olives. And you can dip it with the bread or you can eat it with spoon like that, like a soup. It's really good for health. Try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how did you like it, and see you soon in a new recipe. Enjoy.